Are you wondering whether LeetCode Premium is going to take you one step closer to your dream job? Let's find out. Welcome back to LeetJourney. Today we are diving into a question that's been on the minds of many aspiring software engineers. Is LeetCode Premium really worth the investment? Let's break it down. First off, for those unfamiliar, LeetCode is a popular platform for practicing coding interview questions. It offers a vast array of problems to solve, ranging from easy to hard, covering various programming languages and concepts. But what exactly does LeetCode Premium bring to the table? Well, for starters, it unlocks additional features such as access to detailed solutions, company-specific questions, mock interviews, and more. Now, let's address the big question: is it worth it? The answer, as always, depends on your individual circumstances. If you want the convenience of finding everything in one place without searching online and you've got the money to spend, then go for it. LeetCode Premium might even help you land a six-figure job, so potentially the gain versus expenditure is worth it. Having access to detailed solutions and being able to practice with questions tailored to specific companies can give you a significant edge in a competitive job market. However, if you're just starting out or prefer to use free resources, there are plenty of alternatives available. Platforms like HackerRank, CodeSignal, and even the free version of LeetCode itself offer a wealth of practice problems. I personally never paid for LeetCode Premium, and I've received plenty of offers by using free resources available online. Ultimately, whether LeetCode Premium is worth it comes down to how much you value the additional features and the convenience. So, there you have it. Before making the decision, weigh your options, consider your goals, and choose the path that best suits you. And remember, whether you're coding for fun or for your career, the most important thing is to keep learning and improving. Thanks for watching and happy coding.